Josh, our region's chapter of the American Red Cross has already sent volunteers down to help with tornado relief in both Tennessee and Kentucky, but other local people are lending a helping hand as well. Earlier today, I spoke with Brandon Cervani. He owns RX Roofing in Jonesborough. Tonight, he's in the hardest hit areas of Kentucky. His company partners with an organization called Restore Masters. They send construction professionals to areas experiencing disaster to help as much as they can. Cervani said he will be in Kentucky for several weeks, helping business owners and homeowners assess their damage, walk them through what they need to do next, and provide that crucial support, all without charging them anything up front. He said in times of crisis, the extra help is needed.
There's not enough local contractors to be able to service a storm like this, or like Hurricane Ida in New Orleans. There's just not enough local people to be able to do that. So if you're in a position to be able to help and service others, then I think it's my obligation to do so.
His company, RX Roofing, is collecting donations of toiletries, personal hygiene items, water, clothing, and blankets at their office on 104 East Jackson Boulevard in Jonesborough. He told me he will be driving up from Kentucky every Wednesday with a trailer and picking those donations up, then driving them right back down. Now, some other organizations lending a helping hand. Schwartz Construction Solutions in Greenville began collecting donations today. They're driving those donations down to affected areas tomorrow. And the City Church told me they have volunteers on standby for disaster relief deployment. The Salvation Army also told me today, too, their volunteers locally are on standby as well.
Ashley.